In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix FIFA Official App not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection, or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Also enable airplane mode, wait for a few seconds and disable it. This will refresh your network. Next up, check for app update. Navigate to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app FIFA. Once app appears, if you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. If still you are having the issue, check the server status of FIFA. For that, launch your preferred browser. Now type in FIFA server status and search for it. Head over to the website Down Detector. If you found out any outages over here, wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. Next, if you're having issues within the app, you can use the web version. Launch your preferred browser, navigate to the official website of FIFA, provide your credentials and log into your account over here. Here you might get access to your account. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete FIFA app from your device. Press and hold on the app, click on remove app, click on delete app, click on delete. Then head over to App Store, search for the app FIFA and download it. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.